Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, depending on whenever you are seeing this video. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching us how to withdraw our ATOK to any of our Web3 wallets, that's MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Now, watch. So first of all we need to do here is to import the ATOK token. So we'll be needing the contract address. Don't bother yourself about that. I'll be providing that. Okay, so this is the contract address. I'll copy it and I'll click on import token. I'm using MetaMask. Okay, I'll click on import token, then I'll click on custom token and paste it here. The contract address I copied, I'll paste it here so you can see it. Sorry, this is wrong. It's meant to show ATOK. It's meant to show ATOK. Can you see? So if you make any silly mistake, you just fumble in everything. So it must show ATOK, token symbol ATOK. Then click on next. Then click on import. Okay, can you see the token is imported already? So I'll just click on it. I'll click on receive where you see the root receive here, because I want to transfer the ATOK token in my ATOK app to my MetaMask. I'll click on receive. Then you see where the root copy address, I'll copy the address. Then I'll go to my ATOK app. Okay, then you see this place, the root manage. I'll click on it. Then remember, is one phone, one ATOK account. You can't loot ATOK, if not they will ban you and you lose all your coin. So there is no cheating in ATOK. So the network is making it slow, so let's wait. So, but if you have more than one phone, then you can actually do it. Network is still slow. Let's wait for the okay. So I'll click on transfer. Then the address we copied from MetaMask, I'll paste it here. Allow. Then I'll click on okay. Now let's read what the root here. You can transfer ATOK to another account or an external Web3 wallet, that's Trust Wallet or MetaMask. So the limit of ATOK you can transfer per day, you can withdraw per day is 1,000 ATOK. Okay, so while the limit of ATOK you can transfer from an ATOK account to another ATOK account is 5,000. So the minimum withdrawal for ATOK, the smallest, is 200 ATOK plus the transfer fee. So now, and I have just 210 ATOK. So I'm going to be withdrawing just 200 ATOK. Okay, I'll be withdrawing because it will remove 7, the fee 7. So I'll be left with 3 ATOK left. So I'll click on transfer. Can you see 207 totaling? That's 200 ATOK plus the withdrawal fee. That's 207 ATOK. So I'll click on confirm. So you complete the captcha. The network is okay. I'm not a robot. Select all images with car. So you input your password again. What's going on? Okay, transfer successfully. Can you see I'm left with just 3 ATOK? So I've transferred my ATOK. Now let's check. Okay, can you see received? Can you see 200 ATOK received? So I've received it. So you say you can see it. You can see it. So in our next video, I'm going to be teaching us how to swap the ATOK to USDT. Okay, I'm going to be teaching us how to swap. You can actually swap it from yourself. Can you see? So, but I will teach us in our next video. Thank you.
Learn tech, earn online.